Hey guys, this is Christina Hawkins from Global Specs. Just real quick, I want to give you a warning. There are some emails that I'm going around lately where somebody is trying to get you to approve access to your Google My Business account. So it looks very innocuous. Emilio something something slash business owner is requesting ownership of it'll have your company name in there, and it looks innocuous. Sometimes people click it because they think they're getting access to something else, but it is your Google business account. Do not click on that. Delete them. There's nothing we can really do about somebody requesting access. It's pretty easy to go in through Google My Business, suggest, edit, and request access as the owner. But if you have claimed, they're hoping that either one of two things. One, it's been unclaimed and they can get access to a business account, or it has been claimed and somebody's not paying attention and clicks that link. So be super, super careful. Any Google My Business account that you have should be owned by the company and not an employee. Make sure that a corporate account owns this and that either the president or the vice president of marketing or whatever it is the one that has access and is true owner of that account. We've seen too many instances where people hand this job off to an employee, and either the employee leaves or no longer is in the business, and we can't find who owns it. It's their own email address. Or they get this response, they're not an employee anymore, they don't care, they click the link. So just make sure, really, really careful about who the owner is of Google My Business account, and do not click any links requesting ownership unless obviously it is something that you have specifically requested or you're changing ownership or whatever. But just be really careful. I've been seeing too many of these going around lately, and just a little warning. All right, thanks. Bye.